Are you ready for the one and only complete game-changing tip for the RØDE Wireless GO that no one else has given you online yet? It's not even in the manual. Check this out. Please like, subscribe, all those good things, and share. Thanks. Greetings folks, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you have not, my name is Jason McNamara, aka JasonVideoMusicTokyo. I am here at the Nerima train station in Tokyo, not too far from my house, and I'm really going to show you something that's mind-blowingly cool. A friend of mine from Italy, who's a really cool photographer and photographic editor, he's got some cool tutorials on his YouTube channel. His name is Massanissa della Costa. I hope I pronounced it correctly, but he's a really lovely dude. So please check out his channel. But he contacted me the other day because, like, oddly enough, my Wireless Go videos haven't had a massive amount of viewership, but they've really hit a mark because I know heaps of people who bought these Wireless Go's thanks to my videos. So thanks for that, guys. Just knowing that my word is having an impact, it's really cool. So he bought one and he found a trick on his Wireless Go, which is freaking cool. So as you can see here from my iPhone, there's my Canon 5D Mark IV with a Wireless Go hooked up to it. That Wireless Go is sitting right here. This microphone here is going into my Zoom H6, which is sitting just there. So as you can see here, when I'm talking here, you can barely see the screen. So if you're a vlogger and you want to make sure that your levels are set right, or you want to just see that the signal's working, your battery hasn't run out or what have you, it's a bit hard to see because even though you get a reflection, you know, there's my iPhone reflecting in there, it's kind of hard to see. What Massanissa came up with, and he's an engineer, he was working for, I want to say IBM or Dell or one of those companies. If you hold down the DB button and hold down the power button at the same time, it comes up white. Check this out. Now I've already set this one to this, but have a look at this. The screen's freaking white. That's insane. Let's check this out when you put them side by side. I'm currently standing, and I've got the sun behind me for a reason, I'll get to that. I'm currently standing just out of arm's length from my camera, so let's say a meter from my camera, or 3 foot for you Americans out there that don't understand meters. 91.5 centimeters would be 3 feet, just for the record. If I use my iPhone here, you look at that, you can actually see the background and you can see things a whole lot easier with that white. It's crazy, crazy cool that that actually happens. I didn't even know it was in there. Now, I'm going to turn around so that this is what you could say. You could argue, well, Jason, you're facing into the sun, so of course you can't see it. Or sorry, you've got the sun reflecting rather. But if I turn around and put my camera here, so my camera is directly with the sun behind it, what happens now is the reflection from me and other things behind me, so even if I stand here or I adjust the angle of this thing, I can actually see a reflection of my own face right there in that one, which negates me being able to see. But the white one, I can see perfectly. How crazy cool is that? I didn't even know that was in there. So there's an ultimate tip for you. Now, for those of you out there who are thinking, what about the battery life? Look at this. So you can see over here on the side, I've actually got a setup that I did at home with a GoPro above, set on a time lapse at 5-second intervals, and it rolls through quite quickly. And you can see that there's a white screen on the right hand side. Now, unfortunately, because it was a GoPro, I didn't set the ISO specifically for it. It just looks like a white blot, but you'll be able to see when it times out, and on the other side is a black one. I have both the transmitter on the bottom and the receiver on the top, both on. I charged them overnight, I set them up in the morning, I got them to run through, and surprisingly enough, the time was so close. So here's the results that we got in the end. You'll see here that at 5 hours, 13 minutes and 54 seconds, the white receiver turned off. The black receiver, however, only lasted an additional, let's say, 16 odd minutes, 15 to 16 minutes. It timed out at 5 hours, 29 minutes and 14 seconds. Now, I don't know whether this had anything to do with it, but the transmitter for the white one timed out at 5 hours, 25 minutes and 59 seconds. And when I actually stopped the video recording, the black transmitter was still on. It was flashing. I think it was probably flashing because it was looking for the signal because the power had gone out from the receiver, so it hadn't connected. But anyway, it was still going a little bit. There are battery life reports of 7 hours. I guess they vary from situation to situation and what have you. I'm not going to complain, over 5 hours is great. But the difference that I'm getting at here is there was only 16 or 15 minutes and 40 odd seconds difference between with the white background and the black background. It's negligible. It's a very, very minute percent. It's what, maybe not even 2% worth of battery drain difference. It's pretty cool. So there you have it. How cool is that? I haven't seen anyone else do it, and I've watched a bunch of tips and trick videos on how to use a RØDE Wireless GO from other people. I think I'm the first. Yes, I did not come up with this. It was thanks to Massanissa, my mate in Italy, who found this, but he sent me this message. He's like, oh, I'm gonna blow your mind, and he really did. So he told me to chuck a video up and get it going because he likes watching my videos as well. I mean, he bought the RØDE Wireless GO because of my videos in the first place anyway. So if you want to check out my other videos, there'll be links here and here. I think I've done 4. This will be my 5th video using the RØDE Wireless GO now. I really enjoy these systems that much. So if you haven't picked one up, grab one. If you're a vlogger or even a filmmaker and you want to do stuff with a nice little compact unit. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.